भारताच्या मार्शल आर्टा खातीर महत्वाची घडणूक घडोवन हाडून गोयच्या शिखा पाटकाची जिu-जित्सु आशियाई संघटनेन आशियांतल्या फायटिंग जिu-जित्सु शिस्तबद्धतेचो मुखेल रेफरी म्हूण नेमणूक केल्या। जिu-जित्सु आंतरराष्ट्रीय संघटनेची मान्यताय मेळिल्ली ही संघटना आशियांतल्या जिu-जित्सुची उदरगत आनी नियंत्रणाचेर देखरेख दवरता आनी आशियांतल्या ऑलिंपिक काउन्सिलाचो वांगडी आसा। आशियाई पांवड्यार 5 विशय हुमकळत आसात। तातूंत डुओ, शो, जिu-जित्सु आनी संपर्क विशय आसात। शिखा पाटकाची ही नेमणूक तिच्या ह्या मळार आशिल्ल्या समर्पणाची आनी अनुभवाची गवाय। ही प्रतिष्ठीत पद सांबाळपी ती पहिली भारतीय आनी आशियाई। फाटल्या वर्सा रियादात जाल्ल्या संवसारीक झुजारी खेळा सर्तीत शिखा पाटकाची झुजा शिस्तबद्धताये खातीर पयलो आशियाई रेफरी म्हणून वेचून काडलो। कझाकिस्तानात जाल्ले यूथ जिu-जित्सु वर्ल्ड चॅम्पियनशिप, थायलंड JGIF ग्रँड प्रिक्स, थायलंडात जाल्ल्या वर्ल्ड कॉन्टॅक्ट कप ह्या सारख्या वेगवेगळ्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय सर्तींनी भारताचे प्रतिनिधित्व केल्ल्यान तिचो प्रभाव चालूच आशिल्लो। तशेंच ग्रीसात जावपी संवसारीक आनी युवा जिu-जित्सु चॅम्पियनशिपा खातीर तिची निवड जाल्या। नवो मुखेल रेफरी म्हूण शिखा आशियांतल्या 44 देशांतल्या सगळ्या झुजारी विशयांक रेफरी शिक्षण कार्यावळींचे व्यवस्थापन आनी विकास करपाची जापसालदारकी सांबाळटली।
With the Jiu-Jitsu Asian Union, almost around 44 countries are affiliated and actively taking part in Jiu-Jitsu. So, as a head referee, it's a very challenging responsibility. I can say that I have to take care of Asian referees. I have to help them to learn and grow themselves as a referee. So, my main responsibility will be to conduct a referee education program, seminar, workshop, and training for the young referees. So, I mean, it's a very big opportunity for me to stand as an Indian and to serve myself for my country, and now I have to serve myself for my Asia also. This achievement, I mean, I cannot share into my words because I'm involved in Jiu-Jitsu from last 6 years. I think on the basis of my performance, my achievements, and my capabilities, JJU has given me this responsibility, and I'll try my level best to serve myself as an educator. I'll try to help young new referees to learn, to grow, and to work together and to join our referee family. As we all know that Jiu-Jitsu is a part of upcoming national games, and soon we have a South Asian Championship in India in the month of September, and I had requested Indian Federation to start Jiu-Jitsu activity program here in Goa. We already started. Recently we had a seminar in Don Bosco College, Panjim, and we are going to start with many activities in Goa also. So I'll try my level best to prepare official as well as coach, and the most important part, the pillar, is athletes. I'll try to train few athletes and coaches to learn this sport and create our strong Goa team for the upcoming national games. I have been getting a continuous support from my family. As I can say, before marriage, my mother, she was always there behind me, and she gave me a continuous support. As when I was in class 8th, I mean, from the childhood I started with my judo journey. I was a judo player, and now after marriage, now I have a 4 years of kid, and I have so much of responsibility for my house, for my professional work. So I can say that now in current phase of my life, my in-laws are my full support. I mean, my husband, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, they are continuously pushing me to just grow, learn, and achieve.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, मनीष परब आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू।